instructed him to shoot the gun. So while she didn't necessarily pull the trigger, and the act of pulling the trigger is what actually killed the husband and attempted to kill the aunt, the fact that she is the one that put this plan in motion, that constitutes the actus reus that's required for the murder charge and the attempted murder charge. And this is why when we have those situations where the wife wants to kill the, well, it's similar to this situation here, but things we see on the news and things that we see on some of those crime shows, the crime shows that are actually real crime shows, like what you would see on Investigation Discovery, those documentaries where the wife hires someone to kill her husband, and the hitman that actually kills the husband, he gets charged with the murder, and then you can turn around and still charge the wife as well, not only with conspiracy but with the actual murder itself, because she is the one that actually put the plan in place. So that is the actus reus that's required in this situation, where the wife didn't actually pull the trigger, but she acted in a manner that set this whole plan in place. So that's why the actus reus, the mens rea, the concurrence is all satisfied, and she can then be charged with murder of the husband and attempted murder of the friend under the transferred intent doctrine.